Happy birthday, Sir Starnold, and I hope na masaya ka ngayon sa araw na ito. And sana, itong birthday na darating mo, maging masaya ka sa lahat. And huwag kang lagi stress sa amin. Sir, sayang yung ganda mo, alam mo ah. And alam namin na lagi kang galit sa amin. Sinaservo na mo kami dahil sa mga lates and pasaway sa amin at mga hindi nakikinig sa'yo. Isa na rin ako dun, sir. And sa mga pinupost mo, sir, alam mo AI yun, pero parang na-appreciate ko din. Tapos yung sa throwback na yun, napakaganda mo, sir. Charot. And yun lang, masasabi ko sa'yo, keep safe. And ang wishlist ko din sa'yo, sir, ay sana hindi ka na laging galit sa amin. Sana ang ganda mo naman nun. And maging masaya ka sa darating na next year na hindi na kami magiging estudyante mo neto. And ano nga to? Yun lang. Sana lagay kang masaya. And sana sa next year na magiging habak na section mo na ibang grade na, sana hindi sila maging pasuway sa'yo na kasi nakikita nilang hinahanap nila kay Sir Starnold. Aray mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Starnold. And starting, alam ko naman ako yung pinaka-favorite mong student sa lahat. Char, na parang hindi ako naka-line of 7 sa subject mo. So, ayun nga, sir. Happy birthday po, sir. Enjoy nyo po yung day nyo, sir. You deserve all the good things in life and more birthdays to come po. And sorry po sa lagi po kaming late ni Christian. Tapos pag late kami, bibigyan ka lang namin ng pagkain, sir. Sorry po talaga. And sorry po na po ako, madaldal po ako. Tapos kain lang po ako nakain sa subject niyo, sir. Sorry po talaga. So, ayan nga po. Yun na lang po masasabi ko, sir. Happy birthday po ulit, sir.
Birthday, Sir Starnold. And sana healthy po kayo. And more birthdays to come. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Sir
Happy birthday po sa iyo, Sir Starnold. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo ay stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Tara na, sir, bomba na.
Sir, happy birthday sa iyo. Naway healthy ka and more birthday to come. Yun lamang, sir. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, sir.
Hi, Sir Starnold. Happy birthday po. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayun lang po, I love you.
Happy birthday, Sir Starnold. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana lagi kang healthy. Mag-iingat ka po palagi papasok at pauwi galing school. Sorry po kung palagi kami sakit sa ulo. Kung palagi masakit sa ulo yung 8 diamond. Pero kahit na ganun po, mahal na mahal ka namin, sir. Yun lang. Enjoy your day po. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Sir Starnold. First of all I just wanted to say thank you for making us laugh even though we know na may problems ka din. You still didn't fail us to make us happy. You make learning fun, exciting, and memorable. Second, we're so thankful to have you as our teacher. Your wisdom and kindness make a big difference in our lives. Third, thank you for being such a wonderful teacher who not only teaches lessons but also touches heart. You always encourage us to do our best. We appreciate your effort, patience, and the love you put into your work every day. May your special day be filled with laughter, love, and beautiful memories. Happy birthday, Sir Starnold.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sir Starnold.
Maligayang pagbati mula kay Rojan. Happy birthday, Sir Starnold. Sana humaba pa yung buhay mo.
Happy birthday po, Sir Starnold. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Sir Starnold. Wish all the best. Good health and more blessing. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Sir Starnold.
Sir Starnold, happy birthday po. I hope you have a great day and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Sir Starnold. Wish you all the best. Sana maging teacher kita next schooling. Enjoy your day po. Yun lang po.
Happy birthday, Sir Starnold. Enjoy your day po.
Hi, Sir Starnold. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love from everybody around you and wishing you a successful and a happy life. Thank you.
Hi, Sir Starnold. Happy birthday. You're an amazing teacher and you deserve some recognition on your special day. Happy birthday! Bye!
Good morning po, Sir Starnold. I'm Angela po from Arellano University and happy birthday po. Even though we're from different schools po, I truly admire your dedication and passion po for teaching. You've inspired not just your own students po, but also others who see your hard work and kindness. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with happiness, blessings, and success. May you continue to teach more lives with your wisdom and heart po. Enjoy your special day po.
Happy birthday, Sir Starnold. More birthday to come. I just want to say thank you dahil nandyan ka po para magturo sa amin. Diba, lagi na lang ako bulol, pati pagpabasa mo sa akin ng mga question. Kaya ayoko magbasa, sir, nabubulol ako lagi. Kahit pagsasalita ng on the spot. Kaya huwag niyo na ako tatawagin next time, sir. I just want to say thank you dahil mahaba ang pasensya mo sa amin lagi. Tapos, ang bait niya po. Tapos, ang sweet niya ni Bilya. So, sa Wednesday, sir, ibibigay ko sa'yo si Bilya. Ibabalot namin. Para sa'yo yan, sir. Ayun lang, sir. Huwag kang papastress sa mga estudyante mo. Kami bahala ni Pia. Dadaganan ni Pia, sir, ang mangulit sa'yo. Tsaka, ayun, sir. Kahit lagi kami malate, lagi ka pa rin may pagkain sa amin, sir. Yun lang, sir. More birthday to come.
De, joke lang, sir. Meron pa talaga.
Maligayang araw, Sir Starnold. Sana lahat ng iyong pangarap at mga wishes mo ay maging totoo. And wishing you the best for your special day. And God bless you always. Salamat sa pagiging teacher namin sa AP. And happy birthday once again.